Hey everyone, Ethan here from Extreme RCU 4x4, and today I finally picked up a set of Kyosho factory motors for the Kyosho Blizzard so that I can replace these Andromeda 370 size 35 turn motors. Hopefully these will do a lot better than what's currently in here, but I thought I would take you guys along today. I'm just going to start by putting you guys on a time lapse, and I'm going to remove these motors and quick install these. It's a pretty simple process. I'm just going to remove the wires off of these motors here. They come with these little tiny wires here, really small size, and you get this plug for the factory Blizzard, so you're covered if you have a factory Blizzard. But I'm going to go ahead and throw these in and get rid of these guys. Alright guys, I have both of our motors installed here now, so hopefully it will work. I have a fresh battery pack here. Turn the remote on. Alright. Alright everyone, took the Kyosho for a little spin on the floor in here, and it's doing really well. The low speed, you definitely have more control at lower speeds compared to the Andromeda 35 turn motors I had in there. So I'm really happy to have these in here. I've heard a lot of people having good luck with the Sabertooth ESC and these motors, so really hoping that we'll get some snow in the future. We just recently had it all melt off pretty much the time that the motors burn out of this thing. So it's around the 40s is the high right now, and we don't have really any snow left. So I guess I'll just be waiting for a little while until we get some snow so that I can get this thing back out and maybe shoot a running video for it this winter. I haven't filmed it at all this winter really. But anyways, I thought I would take you guys along today while I installed those motors, just let some of you know where it's at. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.